Airstream just revealed their 2026 model year upgrades. And for us Basecamp owners? Our park it, pour it, perfect lifestyle just got an upgrade. Airstream founder Wally Byam had one rule: don't make changes, only make improvements. To Airstream's credit, that's exactly what they've done. First up, the biggest news: the X package is now standard on all Basecamps. That means you get the 3-inch lift kit, all-terrain tires, aluminum wheels, rock guards, and a raised hitch, automatically. Airstream is basically giving us permission to leave the pavement behind. It's their way of saying, we see you, you beautiful, always ready for adventure people. There's some end of an era news. The Basecamp REI County Op Edition and Pottery Barn Airstreams are being retired. Basecamp living has always been about the great outdoors, REI or not. It's about having rugged, wild adventures, with comfort and convenience. Not kitschy throw pillows and curated latte corners. The Basecamp is for tomorrow, tomorrow, and tomorrow, not an afternoon at home. Airstream also announced something brand new: the 2026 Frank Lloyd Wright Usonian Limited Edition Airstream. It's 28 feet of handcrafted aluminum and jaw-dropping design. Too big for our tiny home lifestyle. And it starts at $185,000. No thank you. Think of it like a mobile museum. While we're out here getting dusty and sunburned, someone else is glamping in an architectural dream on wheels. While not part of the Basecamp line, Airstream's larger models now include a powerful 80A converter. What about the Basecamp? Good question, because the Basecamp is pretty genius. The rear hatch makes it easy to load bikes, kayaks, or that too big camp chair your partner insisted on bringing. Inside, the flexible space transforms in seconds. It's your lounge, your workspace, and your bed. The wet bath fits a toilet, sink, and shower into one compact design. Storage is clever and everywhere: tie-downs, overhead bins, and space to keep your gear from becoming a chaotic mess. And the kitchenette? Optimized. You get a 2-burner cooktop, sink, and fridge. Those panoramic front windows, still the best views at any campsite? So what does it all mean? You're going to fall in love with the Airstream Basecamp life. Brought to you by Airstream Basecamp, Rosé the Riveted. Thanks for watching.